lot of rum. Oh, look at the baby. It's a little tiny baby.
Oh.
Look at Roxy saying you can't
Oh my
water them.
goodness.
Why are
Oh
you,
my
why
goodness.
are you so noisy? You didn't have a baby.
The black sheep. DJ?
He's a skunk.
I love it.
He's a skunk, do you know? He's still wet. We gotta get him in.
He's probably freezing. Okay. What do we do?
You gonna go grab it and take the follow yet?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I just gotta. Here, shine light on camera quick.
First things we do is zip up our coat. I wanna go
It is cold.
It's cold.
the gate over there so you can get it right in to that pen area. And then I'll come back and lift this up.
Yes, we got a U.
Is it a girl?
Yeah.
Baby DJ.
Where did you come from?
Come on, Mama. Come on. Abby, come on. Abby, come on, Abby, come on. Abby. Right here. I got you, baby.
Abigail.
Abby. She's wet.
God, she's so.
I know, I got her.
Let her smell it.
Hey. Abby.
Here's the light here.
Huh? Here. I'll pick her up in a second. Let's go.
She's freezing.
I'm gonna go get a towel. Be right back. Aaron,
Why are
Yeah.
you going? Let's go.
I'm gonna go get a towel and dry it off.
All right. It's all right. All right, let me go get it.
Oh shit.
Where'd she go? I gotta go pick.
Don't you be mean to her. The cat's coming. Oh, wow, you got big. This is a little baby. What's where you stepped?
Look at this little.
Is she okay?
So far, so
she's
good.
okay. All right.
The mama's not happy. Like, that's not my baby.
Hi, baby.
Hello, little black
All right,
sheep.
all right, hold on, girl.
Aaron, look up to your right.
Hold on.
Kitty cat.
That's Pearl. She's sniffing you. That's her own
Look
colony.
at his little white poof on his
I
head.
know he's a skunk. Bobby, it's right here. He's right here. He's right here.
Where's Mama?
Abby! Abby! She's like, I want to She's like, get the hell away from my I thought I had him dry.
That's not yours, Abby.
Over here, Ab.
Abby, baby. I'm not your baby either. She doesn't know yet. He crying? See, he's just cries low. He's still got amniotic fluid, so.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Come on, baby, find it.
She's doing good. She's fine.
I know, just clean her, Abby. She's got to get dry quick.